Hey you guys, I welcome you guys back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making this juicy meatloaf. Now let's jump right into the video. Now guys, to season my meatloaf I'm using the Maggi All Purpose Seasoning, some garlic powder, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, now I'll be using the Bullseye BBQ sauce, and this is the original. I'll also be using some ketchup, now I'll be adding my breadcrumb, and this will be a binder for my meatloaf. I'm also going to add 2 eggs. Yeah, just push those aside. Then you want to use your hand. I'm using a glove because I don't want my hands to be messy. So you're just going to use your hand and you're just going to mix all that in, just making sure that it's all distributed. Now guys, in a loaf pan with parchment paper, I'll be adding my meat to that loaf pan, and I'm just going to gently press down the meat, just making sure that it's shaped evenly, and bake the loaf at about 375 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it guys, our meatloaf's finally out of the oven. It's so juicy and tender, and I love you guys so much for watching. I do hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.